Hi there, I'm Max with Mr. Plumber. Welcome to our Knowledge Center where we share our technical know-how with you. Let's go ahead and get started on today's topic with one of our pros.
Hi there, I'm Mike, the plumbing manager here. We have performed thousands of water heater repairs across the area. In this video, we'll cover some of the most frequently asked questions we hear from customers regarding water heater repair service, such as, what are the common signs water heater repairs are needed? What can I expect during a water heater repair visit? How much does a water heater repair cost? Common signs of water heater repairs needed include little or no hot water, fluctuating water temperatures, discolored or foul-smelling water, unusual noises, popping and rumbling, visual leaks or puddles around the unit. If you notice any of these, have your water heater inspected and repaired by a professional plumber to prevent further problems and ensure your water heater is back to operating properly. What can I expect during a water heater repair visit? The plumber will begin by assessing the condition of your water heater. To identify the cause of the problem, they may ask you about any issues you've noticed and perform a visual inspection. After identifying the problem, they'll proceed with any necessary repairs. This may involve replacement, repairing components, tightening connections, flushing sediment. It will depend on the issue. After the repairs are completed, the plumber will test the water heater to ensure that it's functioning correctly. If your water heater is old or shows signs of significant wear and tear, our plumber may offer recommendations for future maintenance or discuss possible replacement. How much does a water heater repair cost? The cost of the water heater repair can vary widely, depending on the nature of the problem. Minor repairs like replacing elements or thermostats are typically lower cost. A leaking tank, faulty gas valve, it may be higher. Only by calling a certified plumber to inspect your water heater and perform a full system evaluation will you ultimately know the water heater repair cost. Additionally, it may be covered by a manufacturer warranty or the discounts from the True Comfort membership. If you're ready to schedule your water heater repair, give us a call or fill out the schedule service form at the top of our website. And remember, when you need us,
call Mr. Plumber, night or day.